Okay, so picture this. You're in a job interview, right? And they ask you, so what can you do? And you just freeze. Your mind goes completely blank. You know you're amazing, but suddenly you forget how to say anything in English. Has that ever happened to you? Yeah? Well, don't worry. Today, we're going to fix that forever.
Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Stop it, Max. But yes, hello everyone. We are so excited about today's lesson.
Today is a big one. We're teaching you how to talk about your skills and your experience in simple, confident English.
And trust me, this is super important. Whether you're going to a job interview, meeting new people, or even just making friends, you need to know how to say what you're good at.
Exactly. And by the end of this episode, you'll have simple phrases, easy examples, and the confidence to talk about yourself without feeling nervous or weird.
Yes, no more freezing, no more awkward silence, just clear, simple English that makes you sound amazing.
So grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive in.
Okay, Max, let's start with the basics. When someone asks, "What do you do?" what's the easiest way to answer?
Great question, Lily. The simplest answer is just, I'm a blank. Fill in the blank with your job or role. For example, I'm a teacher. I'm a designer. I'm a student.
Super simple, right? But here's the thing. Sometimes people want a little more information, so you can add one more sentence.
Yes, try this. I'm a teacher. I teach English to kids. See? 2 sentences. Easy.
Perfect. Let's try another one. I'm a designer. I make logos for companies.
Nice. Or how about this? I'm a student. I study computer science.
Okay, listeners, your turn. Pause the video right now and say out loud, I'm a blank. I blank. Go ahead. We'll wait.
Did you do it? Amazing. See, you're already getting better.
Now, let's go a little deeper. What if someone asks, what are you good at? Or what are your skills?
Ooh, this is where people get nervous, but don't worry, there's a super easy formula. Ready?
Ready.
Just say, I'm good at blank. That's it. For example, I'm good at writing. I'm good at cooking. I'm good at solving problems.
So simple. And if you want to sound even better, you can add a little detail, like this. I'm good at writing. I write blog posts every week.
Perfect. Or, I'm good at cooking. I can make delicious pasta.
Okay, now I'm hungry, Max.
Sorry, but you see how easy it is? You don't need big, fancy words. Just keep it simple and clear.
Exactly. Now, what if you want to talk about your experience, like things you've done in the past?
Good question. Here's another easy formula. I have experience in blank. Or, I worked as a blank for years.
Ooh, I like that. Give us some examples.
Sure. I have experience in customer service. Or, I worked as a waiter for 3 years.
Nice. Here's another one. I have experience in teaching. I taught English online for 2 years.
Perfect. See, listeners, it's all about simple sentences. You don't need to say everything at once. Just 1 or 2 sentences is enough.
And here's a secret tip. If you're not super experienced yet, that's totally okay. You can say, I'm learning blank, or I recently started blank.
Yes, for example, I'm learning graphic design, or I recently started working in sales.
This is so helpful. Okay, Max, what about when people ask, why are you good at that? Or how did you learn that?
Oh, great question. You can answer like this. I learned by blank, or I've been doing this since I was a kid.
Give us examples.
Okay, I learned by watching YouTube videos, or I've been doing this since I was a kid.
Love it. Here's another. I learned by practicing every day.
Exactly. And if you took a course or studied something, you can say, I took a course in blank, or I studied blank at university.
For example, I took a course in web design.
Or I studied business at university.
Okay, listeners, are you still with us? I know that's a lot of phrases, but don't worry, we're going to practice together in just a minute.
But wait, before we practice, I have to tell you something super important.
Oh, what is it?
Most English learners make one big mistake when talking about their skills. Do you know what it is?
Do they talk too fast?
Nope. They use too many words. They try to say everything at once, and then they get confused and nervous.
Oh, yeah, I see that all the time.
Right? So here's the rule. Keep it short. Keep it simple. 1 or 2 sentences is perfect. You don't need to tell your whole life story.
Exactly. Just answer the question and stop. Don't overthink it.
Yes, and if they want more information, they'll ask you. So relax and keep it simple.
Love that advice. Okay, now let's practice.
All right, everyone. Now it's your turn to practice. We're going to do a little role play.
Yes, imagine you're in a job interview. The interviewer asks you some questions and you answer using the phrases we just learned.
Ready? Here we go.
Question number 1. What do you do?
Pause the video and answer out loud. Say, I'm a blank. I blank.
Great job. Okay, next question. What are you good at?
Remember the formula. Say, I'm good at blank.
Awesome. One more. Do you have any experience?
This time, say, I have experience in blank, or I worked as a blank for years.
You all did amazing. Seriously, practicing out loud is the best way to learn.
Absolutely. The more you practice, the easier it gets. And soon, these phrases will feel totally natural.
Now, let's talk about some power words you can use to sound even more confident.
Ooh, I love power words.
Me too. Okay, so when you're talking about your skills, you can use words like skilled, experienced, confident, capable, and reliable.
Nice. So instead of just saying, I'm good at teaching, you can say, I'm a skilled teacher.
Exactly. Or instead of I worked as a manager, you can say I'm an experienced manager.
Ooh, that sounds so professional. Give us more examples.
Sure, I'm confident in my communication skills, or I'm a capable problem solver.
Love it. And here's one, I'm a reliable team player.
Yes, these little power words make you sound so much more impressive.
But remember, don't use too many at once. Just pick 1 or 2 and keep your sentences simple.
Exactly. Quality over quantity, friends.
Now, what about when you want to talk about soft skills, like teamwork, communication, time management?
Great point, Max. Soft skills are super important, especially in job interviews.
So how do we talk about them in simple English?
Easy. Just say, I'm good at blank. For example, I'm good at working with others.
Or I'm good at managing my time.
Perfect. You can also say, I enjoy blank, like I enjoy helping people.
Or I enjoy learning new things.
Yes, and if you want to give an example, you can say, for example, I blank, like I'm good at teamwork. For example, I worked on a big project with 5 people last year. See? Super simple. You just add one little example and boom, you sound amazing.
Exactly. Okay, let's do one more practice round before we wrap up.
Yes, this time we're going to give you a situation and you answer using everything we learned today.
Ready? Here's the situation. You're at a networking event. Someone asks you, so, tell me about yourself.
Okay, listeners, pause the video now and answer. Remember to keep it short and simple. Say what you do, what you're good at, and maybe one thing about your experience.
Amazing work, everyone. Seriously, you're doing so well.
And remember, it's okay if you make mistakes. The important thing is that you're practicing and getting better every day.
Absolutely. Making mistakes is part of learning.
Okay, Max, before we finish, let's do a quick recap of everything we learned today.
Great idea. So here are the key takeaways.
Number 1, when someone asks, what do you do? Just say, I'm a blank. I blank. Keep it simple.
Number 2, to talk about your skills, say, I'm good at blank. You can add a small detail if you want.
Number 3, to talk about your experience, say, I have experience in blank, or I worked as a blank for years.
Number 4, if you're still learning, that's okay. Say, I'm learning blank, or I recently started blank.
And number 5, use power words like skilled, experienced, confident, capable, and reliable to sound more professional.
But remember, keep your sentences short and simple. Don't try to say everything at once.
Yes, less is more, friends.
And one bonus tip before we go, practice out loud. Seriously, talking to yourself in English is one of the best ways to improve.
So true. Even if you feel silly at first, just do it. Practice in the mirror, practice in the shower, practice anywhere.
Exactly. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
Oh, and hey, stay until the very end because we have one more bonus phrase that can make you sound super impressive in any interview.
Ooh, a secret bonus phrase. Don't miss it.
Okay, everyone, we are so proud of you for making it to the end of this lesson.
Seriously, learning a new language is hard work, but you're doing it. You're here, you're practicing, and you're getting better every single day.
And remember, talking about your skills in English doesn't have to be scary or complicated. Just keep it simple, be yourself, and practice a little bit every day.
Yes, and we want to hear from you. Go down to the comments right now and tell us, what's one skill you're good at? Use the phrase, I'm good at blank.
Come on, don't be shy. We read every single comment, and we love hearing from you.
And if this lesson helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next episode.
Speaking of next episode, Max, what are we teaching next time?
Ooh, next time we're going to show you how to answer the hardest interview question in English. Tell me about a time you failed.
Oh no, that's such a tough question.
I know, right? But don't worry, we'll teach you exactly how to answer it like a pro.
So make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it.
All right, everyone, thanks so much for listening. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep being awesome.
We'll see you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Oh, wait, we almost forgot the bonus phrase.
Right. Okay, here it is. If you want to sound really impressive in an interview, use this phrase. I take pride in blank.
Ooh, I love that. So, for example, I take pride in my attention to detail.
Or, I take pride in always meeting deadlines.
Yes, it sounds professional, confident, and humble at the same time.
Exactly. So try using that in your next interview or conversation.
All right, now we're really done. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.